Supporting emotional regulation. This is a whole topic in itself, but emotional regulation I see a lot with every kid that comes into my practice, especially, is that they don't know how to express themselves. And they hold everything into every cell in their body, and then they get to you, and it's the icing on the cake, and they're this big wet noodle of puddle, right? And you're like, bud, like, what's up? Right? And they can't even verbally tell you what's going on because it's something that might have happened halfway in the middle of the day. So, mindfulness. Create an emotional space of environment. Bedtime. That time when you're tucking your kid in and they might be tired, cozy up with them. Say like, hey, what was your high and what was your low today? All right, well, you want to talk about your low or do you want to wait and talk about it later? Right? Those small moments. I have a 45-minute drive. I spend a lot of time talking with my kids because they're in there. Rule is one AirPod, and if I'm talking, you need to engage with me. So that's my time where I get my high school kids. So find that time, right, in your day where there's no distraction and just talk to them. Because then you're going to get more from it, and you're present. My device goes off all the time. I'm a busy woman, and I hate it when my child is asking me something and I have something I have to answer on my phone. And so I do this. I want to be present for you. Can you give me a moment? Because we are not present enough because of how busy we are.
Hi, this is Jessica, and I would like to thank you for watching. I do hope you found it helpful to your life situation. If you ever wish to talk about our wild programs, please reach out by contacting me through my email address or our contact form on our website. I do hope you are having a wonderful day.